Okay, Carson, coming out of Miami, you had experience as a starter, as a closer. You get into pro ball. How much did your work in college prepare you for what you've run into in the professional ranks?
A tremendous amount. All the work in college is paying off now that you see, and it was just all the hard work that was done, starting, relieving, closing. It was all just to help me get better at whatever scenario I was put in here.
A really strong year for you last year. What were the things that worked for you? What were some of the things that you did to get better and more mature as a pitcher?
Just throwing strikes and leaning on the older guys around me, asking what they do, what need help. I'm a young kid in the organization, just trying to find my way.
You get hit with a lot of information when you go into pro ball. You'll probably get more here. How do you pare that down and understand what's of value when you take them out?
Just sticking to what I've always done, throwing strikes and attacking the hitters, not letting anything overwhelm me, and just keeping it simple.
And also, you're here in this camp, and once you get to this big league camp, you're kind of on the radar. You never do know when you're going to be at Coors Field. I mean, how exciting is that, and are there a few nerves associated?
It is truly a dream come true, and there are nerves, but that's what helps you get through it. You got to be nervous in order to do good. I'm just beyond excited.
Thanks, I appreciate
Thank
it.
you a lot.
Yeah, well, the guys are going to lower it. Did you say you're going to throw it there? Not everybody. Some guys. One hitter, I'm good.